Nice one, guys. So basically, I have some okra right here. So what I want you to do is to soak your okra for 24 hours and drink the water after. All right. So if you soak it from the night before, drink it first thing in the morning. What you need: 2 crushed cloves of garlic. I just cut up 3 medium-sized okra into some small slices like this. So you want to pop that straight into a jug like this. All right. And then what you want to do, you want to go to Google and type in the benefit of okra. All right. Then what you want to do, pour some water inside of it. All right. And cover it like this and leave it for 24 hours. Drink it after. This can help to reduce your high blood pressure, help to reduce your sugar level also. Stay tuned for more tips. So this is part 1. I will show you tomorrow how part 2 look. All right, guys. For more ideas and for more tips, please follow Chef Ricardo Cooking. Stay tuned.